Ladies and gentlemen, quick question. Have you ever wished for a little buddy that cleans your floors while you relax, work, or binge Netflix? Well, today I'll show you why the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner M210 might just be your new best friend. Stay with me because I'll share all the features, real pros and cons, and even why I named mine Fred. And if you want the full article, check the link in the description and first comment. We all want clean floors with less effort, right? The Lefant M210 is built for that. Its slim design slides under couches, tables, and beds, reaching spots you usually ignore. And thanks to Wi-Fi, Alexa, and app control, you can schedule cleanings, track progress, or even take manual control. Kind of like Mario Kart, but you're racing dust bunnies. Now, suction power. If you've got pets, you'll love this. The 3 suction modes: powerful, normal, quiet. Handle everything from cat fur to crumbs. I have 3 cats and a fluffy dog, and Fred still manages to collect hair I didn't know existed. Quiet mode isn't silent, but it's softer than a normal vacuum, so you can still watch TV without shouting. Battery life is solid, over 2 hours of runtime, cleaning up to 900 of 1,000 square feet in about an hour. And when Fred gets tired, he returns to his dock automatically. No babysitting needed, and no cliff diving down the stairs. Let's be real, carpet isn't its strong suit. It's fine on thin rugs, but if you've got mostly carpet, look elsewhere. But for hardwood, tile, or laminate, this is where the M210 shines. The dustbin is also super easy to empty. Pop, dump, done. Now the price. Here's where Lefant really wins. With features like scheduling, slim design, strong suction, and app control, it's way more affordable than big-name robots. I grabbed mine on Prime Day thinking, if it's trash, I'll return it. Spoiler, it wasn't trash. It turned out to be one of my best buys. For pet owners, parents, or anyone tired of dirty floors, this robot is more than convenience. It's peace of mind. Imagine waking up to clean floors every day. Imagine hosting friends without last-minute sweeping. Imagine never fighting about who's vacuuming. That's what the Lefant M210 gives you, time and freedom. The app makes it even better. I schedule Fred Monday to Friday at 7 a.m., and while I'm in my home office, he's working. It shows maps, cleaning time, and lets you take remote control if needed. Sometimes Fred gets stuck. And yes, it's hilarious, but part of his charm. So, to wrap it up, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner M210 is slim, smart, affordable, and great for pet hair, hardwood, and daily cleaning. Strong suction, long battery life, self-charging, easy setup, and a price that makes sense. It's not perfect, but for many homes, it's the perfect solution. Check the full article in the description and first comment for more details. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. In fact, I'm thinking of getting Fred a girlfriend for the new addition to my house, because hey, even robot vacuums deserve love.